Mouth breathing is a primary cause of snoring, CPAP noncompliance, and worsened sleep quality. The key is close your mouth and breathe through your nose. SomniFix gently and comfortably holds your mouth closed to encourage you to breathe through your nose rather than your mouth to get a restful and snore-free night of sleep. Here are some of the key features of the SomniFix strip. And as a safety feature, SomniFix has an easy, gentle release function. Other products are invasive, uncomfortable, or simply don't work. SomniFix reduces snores by 72% on average, improves CPAP compliance, and makes dry mouth a thing of the past. Don't take it from us. Take it from the thousands of customers who have given us 5-star reviews. Quite simply, SomniFix works. Join hundreds of thousands of happy SomniFix users by visiting us online and taking your first step towards a better night's sleep today.